Hey guys, it's Jason Rzucidlo reporting from the Las Vegas Convention Center for the 2023 SEMA Show, where it's every car enthusiast's dream. Axles, brakes, EV charging cables, motor oil, shocks, tires, wheels. It was all on display at the SEMA Show. The SEMA Show is not an auto show. Rather, it is a trade show featuring aftermarket parts and accessories to customize your vehicle. Auto racing and performance are also part of the show. Meguiar's told me about their new car care products for both consumers and professionals. Look for many of the new products to arrive in early 2024.
So this year we're releasing in our professional line a full ceramic coating. So it's going to deepen the gloss in your paint. It's going to give you insane protection, long-lasting protection, crazy water beading. So this is going to be our new product in our new Pro lines, our M888. We also have another ceramic coating, and this is going to be part of our Ultimate line, which is more of our consumer line. So with this is a little bit different, where this is going to be more of a traditional ceramic coating application as far as prepping your paint. We have a dropper with an applicator pad. This, obviously, still you would like to prep your paint as best as you can, but this is just essentially a spray and buff off. So all you're going to do is just go ahead and spray the surface once it's all prepped. Take your microfiber towel, kind of wiping it around, kind of buffing it, flipping it, and then buffing it off. Also going to give you really great protection, long-lasting, like I said, really great water beading, and just overall great durability. So we do have a lot of new products, but these are probably going to be the most popular, I think, just because the whole ceramic coating and ceramic line of products are really big right now in paint protection, paint care, again, enhancing gloss, giving long-lasting protection, shine, and also really, really hydrophobic.
Meanwhile, Toyota debuted its all-new Tacoma X Runner concept pickup truck. It is equipped with the modified iForce 3.4-liter twin-turbocharged V6, producing 421 horsepower. The new sporty truck was designed at Toyota's Calti Design Studio in Ann Arbor, Michigan. Tier 1 supplier ZF introduced me to their new SACHS performance damper and performance clutches.
Here we have our SACHS performance damper for street cars. So these are actually used on newer model Mustangs, and they're adjustable in ride height, and actually they adjust based on the road conditions for the vehicle. So this is actually a display of our performance clutches. So as you know, with ZF, we're mainly known for our 8-speed transmissions. This is one of our clutch kits that just gives you an example of a breakdown of the clutches that are used in that transmission. All right, so this is our ZF 8-speed transmission. As you know, this is one of the best transmissions on the market. It's known for being lightweight, and it also uses our clutches as well. Very good transmission that's used in many vehicles on the market at the moment.
ZF also displayed this 1970 Dodge Charger from the Fast movie series. This one was featured in the first Fast movie. Ford returned to the SEMA show and showed off 4 different electric vehicle concepts. Here you see the Mustang Mach-E Rally Edition, the Tajin Edition Mustang Mach-E Safari concept, and 2 others. Last year's SEMA Electrified section of the show has grown into the new SEMA FutureTech studio. More and more car enthusiasts are transforming their gas-powered vehicles into electrified vehicles. Panthera showed off their aftermarket sound generator, which will allow electric cars to make noises so others can hear the engine roar. EVs are very quiet, so this could also help with safety for nearby pedestrians.
Here is a V8 from a Mercedes SLS. Then next we have a R6 from a BMW M4. Or we also do the Boxer 4-cylinder. And the great thing is that it's only connected to the OBD dongle and all transfers all the data to our amplifier, and it makes the sounds. So it can unplug to any other car for if you swap the car. And you can also change the volume of the sound. So if you want it more loud, you just go up the volume. Yeah, that's it.
Fuel to Electric explained how they can assist people who want to convert their gas-powered vehicles into electric. They will put consumers in touch with professionals who can take care of their EV conversion safely and correctly.
Cars are born as 12-volt systems, and so all your lights, your horn, your turn signals, and everything run off of that voltage. The engines and transmissions for EVs are high voltage, and so they run off of big batteries and a number of batteries. So the number of batteries and the size of the engine will determine what kind of horsepower, what kind of torque, and what kind of range you have. And so it's really kind of based on budget, what your goals are, what kind of vehicle you have, but we're here to help with those questions. Of course, the price is going to vary depending on the vehicle and what has to be done to it. But typically, you start around $35,000, and it can go way up from there over $100,000. So it just depends on how detailed you want to get, how much horsepower, how much torque, how much range you want to get. It all depends on that.
Attendees were also able to get autographs from models and other celebrities at the SEMA Show.
Oh, it feels great. You know, we did, obviously we all had to take that year off during the pandemic, but the last couple of years has been great. The show's been growing. We've been growing, so it's great to have our outdoor booth here at the truck, but you guys definitely want to check out our indoor booth. They're also doing live demos of these professional products, and we have our 2 featured cars in there. So, like I said, SEMA is always a great time for us, and I think it's a great time for everybody in the industry to get together, and you know, we're all in this together. So,
Mission Foods, maker of the Mexican tortillas, was announced as the new title sponsor of the 2024 NHRA Drag Racing Series. Reporting from the 2023 SEMA Show in Las Vegas, I'm Jason Rzucidlo for AmericaJR.com